Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am going to make this double-sided purse where we have two compartments on one side, another zipper pocket on the other side. Now let's get started with the tutorial. To make this purse, I have taken a rectangular piece of main fabric, a piece of interfacing, here I have taken duck canvas, and a piece of lining fabric, all these of same dimensions, 9 inches across 20 inches. First, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing piece like this, and I'll give stitches on the edges. Now it's done. Next, on top of this, I am going to place the lining piece and give straight stitches on the edges. Now it's done. And this is how it's going to look like. Next, I have taken two zippers which are 9 inches in length and two runners for the same. Next, I am going to fold this in half and mark the midpoint like this. Next, from this midpoint, I am going to mark points at 4.5 inches like this. I'll draw a straight line along these points like this. Next, I am going to turn the piece around and I'll do the same steps on the other side as well. I'll mark points at 4.5 inches and draw a straight line along the points. Next, I am going to take a zipper and I am going to place it on top of this line with its right side facing downwards like this and give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Now I'll remove the unstitched part of the zipper like this and I'll place it on the other line, on top of the line with its right sides facing downwards like this, and give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. This is how it's going to look like. Next, I'm going to fold it like this and give a top stitch here. Similarly on the other side as well. Top stitch is done. Next, I am going to take the other zipper and place it like this with its right sides facing downwards and give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Next, instead of giving a top stitch, I am going to give a zigzag stitch on this side such that the raw edges are sealed. Now it's done. Next, on the other side, I am going to place the other side of the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this and give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Now I'll give a zigzag stitch on this side as well. Once done, it will look something like this. I'll turn the right side out. Next, I am going to insert the runner into the zipper like this. Next, I am going to fold this piece in half like this, such that we have zippers on both the sides. Now I'll insert the other runner into this zipper. I'll pull the runner out once so that the zip is closed and I'll insert it back again. Now I'll give straight stitches on these two sides. Now it's done. Next, I am going to take two strips from the main fabric, which are 1.5 inches in width and 7 inches in length. Next, I am going to place the strip with its right side facing downwards like this. I'll fold its ends 0.5 inches downwards like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Next, on the other side, I am going to fold the strip twice like this. I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. I've done the same thing with the other strip on the other side. And our two-sided zipper purse is ready now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.